Good morning, students. In last class, I hope you all are safe and fine. And in last class, I have taught you how to divide and how to multiply and find out the perfect squares. Is it not? So, now in this class, I'll be teaching you how to divide the thing, okay, and find out the perfect square. That is, see, consider the following steps. There are some steps, division steps to find out the perfect square, okay, or the square root. See, you have to find out the square root for 529. So, by division method, okay, this is the new method to you. Let me teach you in this class. See, the number is what here? 529. So, first you have to, units, tens, hundreds, like that, thousands. You have to group the number by 2. Okay. So, first, last two numbers you are pairing it. Then here there is a single number. There is no other number. So let it be. You have to put a bar for that. Okay. Next step, what you have to do, you have to see there is no number here. That is, there is no dividend to do the division method. So how you will find out here? See, here the value is 5. So, the nearest square number, write down all the square numbers. For 1 square, it is 1. 2 square, it is 4. 3 square, 9. 4 square, it is 16. And 5 square, 25. 6 square, 36. 7 square, 49. 8 square, 64. 9 square, 81, and again 10 square, it is 100. Is it not? So you know all the square numbers now. So nearest square number you have to find out for this value. That is 3 3s are 9. Yes, of course a nearer number, but it is greater than 5. And again 2 2s are 4. You have to take the smaller number if you have to subtract the thing. So, here you are taking 2 square. So, what is this? 2 2s are 4. Hope all understood why you have took here 4. See, you have to choose the nearer square number for this 5. For this number, okay, what is the number you are seeing here, no? For that number, you have to choose the nearer square number. That is 2 2s are 4. Now, you have to subtract the thing. 5 minus 4, it is 1 and 29. You have, if there is one number, you have to bring down one number. Here, you have paired both the number. So, you are getting both the numbers down. That is 129. Hope all understood till here. Then, next step, what you have to do is, see this number what you have took, no? That number you have to double it. That is 2 plus 2 you have to do. That is how much? 4. Hope all understood? 2 plus this number you are doubling it. So you will get 4. Hope understood? Next, you see the last number here. Some number, that is 2-digit number, if you multiply it with a single number, you will get this number. Which is that number? See, this is the easy method what I am teaching you. That is, just see the last number. Here it is 9. So, see all the square numbers. One is 3. Okay. Or else other one is 7. Here 3 square is 9 and 7 square is 49. Last digit is what? Ones place, 9 is there, you have to see. So here 43 into 3 or else 47 into 7 will be this number. Okay. We'll find out for 43 first. 43 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. So it is 129. It suits here. 43 into 3. 129. So you got the square root of 529 is 23. Hope all understood this? See, it's a very simple thing. Just you have to know the square number for this. That's all. Okay. See, what you are doing here is 529 the number is. So you are first grouping it or you are pairing the numbers. Okay. First two numbers you have to pair. Yes, of course, if it is a 4 number or 5 number, you have to group two numbers. Okay. And you have grouped here with two numbers, and here there is only one number, so you are keeping one number, and you have to see the square root, nearest square number for this 5. So the nearest square number for this 5 is 4. So it is 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Then you don't have to bring down single number as you have paired here. So as you have grouped here, you have to get down both the 2-digit number, that is 29. And you have to see the last number here, 9. As the last number is 9, it's an easy method. See what you have to see, the square number, that is 3 square is 9 and 47 square is 49. Any other 9 here? No. So here you have to match with 3 or else 7. So 43 into 3 if you do, you will get 129. 47 into 7 if you do, you will get the higher number. So 43 into 3, yes, of course, 129. So 0. Okay. So 23 will be your square number. The square root of 529 is 23. We'll go to the further problem so you will understand better. Okay, students. Next number is, which is given in your textbook, next example problem. See, square root of, see, first the number is 4096. What you have to do here, you have to divide the number. First step is to group the number here. What? First step, you have to group the number. In first problem, there was it was a 3-digit number, but here it is 4-digit number. So there will be a pair for each grouping thing. Okay, that is 9 6 you have grouped and 4 0 you have grouped. So you have to check for the nearer square number for 40. That is 49. It's a higher number than 40. So you have to take 36. That is 6 6 36. Hope all understood. Next, 10 minus 6, it is 4. And here you have already borrowed 1. So 3 minus 3 is 0. Next, you have grouped. As I told you, you have to take both the numbers, not the single number. So here the last number, then what you have to do, this number, you have to double the number. That is 6 plus 2, 6 plus 6, that is 12. Hope all understood. Next, 6. You see the last square number with 6. That is, it is nothing but 4. Only 4 and 6. Yes, 4 and 6. Will have it is having what? The square number as 6 and 6, 16 and 36. So we'll try first for 4. Okay. 124 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8. 9. 4 1s are 4. So it is 496 you got here. So you have to take for 124 into 4, that is 496. So you will get the remainder as 0. Understood, students? If you do 126 into 6, 6 6 are 36, 3 remainder, 6 2s are 12, 13, 14, 15, 1, 5, 6 1s are 6, 7. 756 will be your number. So you need only 496. So you are taking 124 into 4. Hope all understood. So finally you write here. What you will be writing here? Square root of 4096 is 64. Is 64. This number you have to write. Hope all understood. We'll go to the next problem. Same like this you have to do. Okay. They have given the number as 729. 729. So first you have to divide the number, group the number. Okay. So the nearer value for 7 is 9 and 4. The less square number you have to take. So 2 2s are 4. So 7 minus 4, 3 and 29. Both the number you have to bring down. So if you double this 2 plus 2, you will get 4. And last number is 9 here. You have to go with the 3 square or else 7 square. We'll try first for 3. That is this number with 3 into 3. If you do, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So this number, it doesn't suit. We'll go for 7. 4 7 into 7. So 7 7s are 49. 7 4s are 28. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So it is 329. Yes, it suits. So 47 into 7, it is 329. If you subtract, you will get 0. So the square root of 729 is equal to 27. Understood, students, how to solve? If this is a 3-digit number, now we'll do for 4-digit number. Another problem. Okay. Finding easy, right? Next, 1296. Divide the thing. So here first you have to group, okay, with two numbers, and the nearest square number you have to find out for 12. That is 4 4s are 16 will be greater than 12. So you have to go with 9. So 3 3s are 9. So here 3 will be the remainder if you subtract and get down this 96. Okay, and double this number, 3 plus 3, it is 6. Okay, here you have to double is not 3 3s are 9. No, you don't multiply it. You have to just add another 3 for this number. Okay, 3 plus 3, you will get 6. Next, some number, you have to see last number 6. So here 4 and 6. You have to do, that is 64 into 4 if you do. 4 4s are 16, 1 carry, 4 6 are 24, 24 plus 1, 25. No, this number, it doesn't suit. Next, go for 66 into 6. 6 6 are 36, 6 6 are 36, 37, 38, 39. So it is 396. So here 66 into 6 will be 396. Now If you subtract, you will get 0. So you have to write it finally. Square root of 1296 is equal to how much? 36. The square number is what here? 36. 36 into 36, if you do, you will get 1096. Hope all understood this, students? Okay. Now, same like this only, but it is you are finding the square roots of decimal number. You are finding the square root of what? Decimal number. Square root of 17.64. This is also one of your example problems. So we'll do 17.64. As I told you, the method and the steps are same, but you have to go with a decimal point. That's all. See, you're grouping here 64 and 17. Okay. See, two numbers, you're grouping it. So you have to find out the square number for the nearest square number for 70. So it is 16 only. Okay. And the number is smaller also there. So 4 4s are 16. So here the remainder will be 1. Okay. Here the remainder will be 1. And get down the 64. Okay. And the double the number is what? 4 plus 4. It is 8. Okay. Now you have to keep point here. Don't forget it. Now some number. You have to see the square number 4 and here 4. So it is 2 and 8. Is it not? 2 2s are 4 and 8 8s are 64. So 4 4 it has come. The last number. We'll try now. It is 82 into 2 or 88 into 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16. You got 164. So it suits with 2 only. 82 into 2. But before writing 2 here, you have to go with a point. Understood? So it is 82.2 into 82 into 2. That is 164. If you subtract, you will get 0. Understood? So the square root of 17.64 is equal to 4.2. The square number is what for 17.64? This is the decimal number and you will get the decimal number only as the square number. That is 4.2. Hope all understood this, students? Like this you have to do. And one more problem. Okay. Here it is given area of a square plot is 2304 meters square. Find the side of the square plot. Area of square plot. Here what they have given? Area. Okay. Total area you have to find out. So area of square plot is how much? Area of square plot is 2304 meter square. So you have to find out the area for this. Area is total area you have to find out. You know the square plot. It is of they have mentioned it's a square plot. So it is what? All the four sides. That is by division method you have to find out 2034. So first group the numbers. So the nearer value for 23 is 25 and 16. You have to take 25 will be the greater number, so you go for 16. So 4 4s are 16. So here 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So it is 7 and both the numbers 0, 4. So if you subtract here, if you double the number, you will get 8. 4 plus 4, 8. The last number is 4 here again. You have to see for 2 square and 8 square. 2 square is 4 and 8 square is 64. So 8 into what you will do? 2 first you do. Into 2 you do. 2 2s are 4. 8 2s are 16. No, this doesn't suit. Go for 8 8 into 8. So 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64. 64. 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. It becomes 7 not 4. So here ends the remainder 0. So you have to write here 88 into 8. So the square root of 2304 total area, the square number is how much? 48. The side, each side you have to see, side into side into side into side. So the side of square plot, each side, here if this is the area, each side, the total area is how much? 2304. So for each side, here 48, 48, 48, 48. It becomes, okay? The side 48, 48. 48 square, 48 square. Understood? Okay, the last example problem. There are 2,401 students in school. PT teacher wants them to stand in rows and columns such that the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. Find out the number of rows. In your school also, a total strength of the school. Here what they have given is 2,401 and PT teacher make them to stand in number of rows and number of columns that should be equal in numbers. Okay, so what you will be doing here, you don't know how much rows and how much columns are there. So let the number of rows and columns be X. You don't know. So what you have to do here is X is for rows and another X is for columns. So X into X, it becomes what? X square. The number of rows and columns is how much? X square. You don't know. So you have to find out by division method 2401. So here comes first you have to group the numbers and you have to see the nearer square number, that is 16. 4 4s are 16. So here the remainder will be 8. 0 1 4 4 8. So you have to go with 1. 1 is 81. 1 square is 1 and 9 square is 81. It should be 1. That is 81 into 1 it should be, or else 89 into 9 it should be. Okay. So 1 1s are 1, 1 8s are 8. No, this cannot be. 9 9s are 81. So 9 8s are plus 8, it becomes 80. 72 plus 8. So it is 801. The remainder is 0. So finally you can write as here 9 into 9. So it is square root of 2401 is equal to 49. The number of rows is equal to how much? 49. If the number of rows is 49 and columns is also same, okay? Like this, you have to find out the rows and columns. I hope you all understood how to do the division method in this class, okay? So in next class, let me do and finish off with the exercise problems based on this concept, okay? Hope all understood, students. Please practice the sum well. I'll be giving the notes to you, so you can copy down through PDF. So this is what you have learned in this class, that is division method, okay? Thank you, students.